At Volvo Trucks, our motto is driving progress. And that's what we've been doing for the past 15 years in India, bringing continuously value and productivity to our customers. And of course, fuel economy is a key part of that productivity. We offer not only world-class technology, but we also help to get the best performance from man and machine together. Because world-class technology is nothing without world-class drivers.
India has always been a pioneer in doing this fuel watch in the mines. This year, as I told, it is a very special year for the fuel watch, where we have taken it down to all the regions. Many drivers have participated down at the regions, and then it is like a champion of champions. So the champions who have been nominated from the regions are now participating with the other champions here, and the winner, the champion of champion, will now go to the Asia finals from here.
Fuel watch competition is an extremely important initiative that has been taken by Volvo Trucks to improve the driving skills of the drivers, and at the same time also to educate the other stakeholders like fleet owners and the customers to know about the importance of the right driving skills of the drivers.
यहाँ आने से मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि मुझे इस वॉल्वो फ्यूल एवरेज में मौका मिला है कंपटीशन में, और मैं चाहता हूं किसी भी तरह करके ये फ्यूल एवरेज को जीतने का कोशिश करूं।
अच्छे से अच्छे फ्यूल का एवरेज दे करके आना, और जहां तक ये कोशिश करना कि सबसे टॉप में आने का कोशिश करना।
The rules of this fuel watch, that every driver has to drive this truck once in unloaded condition and once in the loaded condition. And after every trip, he will be monitored through a VTT tool. So that remains for these 2 days.
जितना आरपीएम अपने कम रखेंगे उतना ही माइलेज अच्छा आएगा। प्लस गियर का कॉम्बिनेशन और आरपीएम का कॉम्बिनेशन दोनों का एक बराबर होना चाहिए।
मैंने सर लोड और खाली दोनों गाड़ी चलाया पूरे ध्यान से और पूरा दिमाग लगा के। मैं चाहता हूं कि इस प्रतियोगिता को मैं जीत जाऊं।
Yeah, close to 40% of our costings is fuel. In that, if you are able to save 10% also, it makes a huge difference for us. The fuel watch competition should take every 3 months is what we feel.
The Fuel Watch Championship is all about learning as much as about winning. We believe all the participants who took part in this event are now better prepared than before to get the best out of their trucks. This is a great learning event. We want to continue by enhancing the scope year on year, as we believe this helps our customers in getting the best fuel efficiency from their trucks.